Hello guys, it's Dominic from Switzerland. I'm 20 years old, and before I start I have to tell you my English is not that good because I only had 3 years of English in school, but I hope you understand it. So let's start in the beginning. I worked in a bakery, and I think about from a year ago I think what do I want to do in the future? And yeah, I'm a person who travel a lot and want to see the world. And I only had five five weeks in a year, holidays, and 5 times one week you can travel where you want to go and stay there a little bit. So I was looking in the internet, what can I do to work wherever you want to be? And I don't know exactly how I came to trading, but I saw some stuff like trading and you can do it at home, and then I thought, yeah, let's see what that is. And so when I looked in the internet what that is, I became on Instagram every time like, yeah, you can join the channel and stuff like that. And I joined one channel to see if that really works. He gave me signals and stuff like that. And at the moment I'm in the military 1 year, and I had time to, when he write, yeah, you have to buy or you have to sell, I can click it. I started with 1,000. I think 1,000. And yeah, I made every trade when he told me to sell or buy 300, and the multiplier 300, and it went really good. Every trade I had like 50 or $100, and I went up to like 1,800. And before that I was looking more if I can find someone who tell you more how he do that and stuff like that. And then I came to Raphael, and then I saw he had a course where about $430. And then, yeah, maybe let's try it. I made already more than 400 through the other guy, and then I booked it. I had enough time in the military at the evening and stuff like that to make this course, and maybe I had only about 5 days to finish it. And I have to say I make the course again and again because I made it once, but I want to be sure if I can do it. And I was on a different broker named Libertex, and that because that was easy, and the other guy who told me when to buy and to sell, he was on Libertex too. But I want to change after the course to MetaTrader 4, but in the moment I was on Libertex. And then I made myself some trades through the course, what Raphael told me to do it. And I have to show you a trade I made. So we are on Libertex, and this is one trade I made. And Raphael told in the course you have to scale in and scale out. So you can see I started here, I think about here I started, and then with 300 and multiplier 600 because I saw it as a downtrend. And then I went in like here, and I was thinking, yeah, when I lose, okay, no problem. My stop loss was about, I think, about here, and first it went up, and I thought like here, yeah, maybe it's changing the way, but once it go down here, I was thinking, yeah, maybe I should increase the money, and every time it made a new candle, I put more money in the trade till I had my I had my whole balance in the trade, and yeah, but I moved the stop loss every time it made a new candle over the candle, and it was going down, and I think here I made the stop loss right about here. It went back, but it don't hit the stop loss, and when it going back down, I was thinking, yeah, okay, I put the whole money in it. It was only about 600 at the end, and when it came back here, the stop loss was about here, and it went back here. I don't know, the stop loss was about here somewhere over this, and yeah, I made 4,900 only. Started with 300, and I was risking about $150 up here, and yeah, I made 4,900. I'm really happy. I have to change this money to the MetaTrader 4 and try on this broker. Some problem I had on the demo account was I was on the 15-minute chart. I saw, yeah, it's an uptrend. I make some position, and then it went back, and I thought, yeah, that's why it went back. I already tested 3 confirmations, but when I scale out on the 4-hour chart, it showed me that it's not an uptrend, it's a downtrend. So I have to analyze more charts, not only the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes. That was the biggest problem, and but I think I can make this now after this course better than yet. And yeah, I gonna send Raphael if I can make some profits, and maybe he posts so you can see. Yeah. I would recommend this course, of course, because I was in the evening, I told my friend, yeah, let's go out and I gonna pay it, and he was like, why you wanna pay that? And I told him I made 4.9k in this evening because of a guy who told me how to do it, and he was like, yeah, I want to do that also. So if he really want to do that, I gonna tell him he has to follow Raphael, and hope he doing great.